Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's a second day of the Chinese New Year and lalabas tayo together with the family, husband and daughter. So, but basically, the shops are still closed, so most of it, because first day and second day of Chinese New Year, talagang sarado sila. So, we'll see kung ano ang makikita nating bukas na shop. And we're planning to go for bowling. Yay! So, let's see. Come with us. See ya! Yay! We're out and about. Katirikan po ng araw.
Init, grabe. Uy! They just leave.
They left the push carts here from Shengshou. So, tayo po ay maglalakad.
Oh, sarap po yung angin. Pero mainit din.
Katirikan ng araw. 1:25 PM.
Ay, naiwan ko yung ano ko.
Alin? Wallet?
Fan.
Fan.
Ito yung wallet ko. Ay! Yung angkaw!
Init! Ang tirik ng araw after a few days of raining. Weeks of raining, you know? Parang ngayon lang umaraw ng matindi, pero malamig pa rin yung hangin. So, there's our bus! Let's go!
Walang
Nakababa na tayo ng bus. Yun na yung bus na sinakan natin. Bye-bye! Lalakad tayo sa ating kakainan. Anong pangalan ng kakainan natin? Jojin? Jojis? Jojis daw. Mainit pero mahangin. Mainit pero mahangin. Mataas ang araw pero mahangin naman. So, hindi pa tayo lapot-lapot. Singapore, we are based in Singapore. So, holiday pa. Holiday pa talaga dito. Oh, we can only cross if the green man is visible. Appeared. Georgie's. Oh, we're going here. Close.
So sandwich parlor.
So let's close.
soto. Big. Gusto mo lang sa labas o sa ano?
Okay lang. Okay lang.
Ayun, si ate. Pinoy si ate.
Ayun yung shoes.
Ito dito.
Ayun o, para sa mga jukebox. Is that real? No, it's fake. It's not working anymore.
So,
This is the menu. Okay, let's order inside. Wow, para siyang diner. Oh.
nakuhanan ko po kayo ng fee.
Ha?
Nakuhanan ko po kayo ng fee. Hindi lang po. Hindi po. Dapat sa labas ko.
Ito nakuha na ng pinang.
Baka hindi mo maubos ha?
Bakit siya eh?
Tama.
Bakit siya lang ako? So, we have ordered. Hindi dito parang diner talaga siya. Kung nakapag-diner na kayo dati. The name of the restaurant is Joji's Diner. Mga vintage. Avril Lavigne. Here's Dada's order, all-star breakfast. We have toast. What's this? Mushroom,
Garlic.
beans, sausage, scrambled egg. What's underneath? Tomatoes and what's this? Potatoes and Naomi's curly fries. Oh, here's my order. Waffle and chicken. Chicken and waffles.
Yummy. Yummy.
All bang. The big bang with a donut.
Strawberry one.
This one is ice caramel latte.
Gusto na. Vlog.
Ready? Tapos spoon and fork. Knife. Ang gravy. Tamis yung ano, yung waffle.
So you don't need
Tamis yung waffle. Chicken is crispy. You know what's having? Mac and cheese.
mac and cheese with a side of bread. Garlic bread, kind of.
How's your food, Dada?
Good.
Good. Oh, they have bean ball. eh, free. Pwede ba maglaro? Sarap din yung food. Kaya lang yung shake, matamis, no? Super tamis. Into Chinatown interchange. Chinatown in a Chinese New Year. We're going Chinatown in the second day of Chinese New Year. We're out of the train and we are in Chinatown station. Let's go up. Exit F.
This is A. Let's find the E. F. Diba? F na F. Diba pala yung hole?
Let's check the map.
Here.
Where's F? Where are we?
Right here.
Near E. F. So, exit E tayo. Then go F. Okay. Kasi ang tatay natin gustong bumili ng White Rabbit. So, pupunta tayo sa Chinatown para bumili ng White Rabbit. Na nakakain yung wrapper. Yung inner wrapper, not the outer wrapper. So, we're here. Fortunately, it's closed. The White Rabbit store. White Rabbit store is closed. Meron din dun sa kabila. Kaya lang closed din.
Yeah, may ibang kulay.
Yeah, see, there's a pink, there's a yellow, there's a green.
But it's good.
Could come back tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow we can come back.
Tomorrow, but you have school.
Exactly. So
Daddy have work. So,
Bye.
where are we now? Where are we going?
Batman, ano pangalan ng Batman, na yun?
Na building?
Oo.
I don't know.
Yeah, perfect.
Kala ko mahal yung ticket sa Monet. Monet, M-O-N-E-T. M-O-N-E-T.
Tingnan natin kung magkano doon. Nakamamura doon.
Wow, we're here. Ito yung sinasabi nilang Batman building dito sa Singapore. It's located in Bugis. Yeah.
Wait. Oh, what you have to die at the best part? That's the fake.
Dito na ngayon located yung dating kong office. Dating company. Akin pinapasukan. Dito ba yun? Parking Square. Okay, we're here. previous office. We are located on the 7th floor.
On you? You worked here before?
No, not here, not in this office. But that's my company before.
The name?
Previously, we are located in Tanjong Pagar. Look at the interior of this place.
It's like a fancy hotel.
See? So we are going to see this.
Renee, let's go, let's go. This is a scary elevator. Oh my god, this elevator.
What floor is CW?
7th
Seventh floor.
Seventh floor.
Yeah.
Here. Very good inside. One PM, 4 PM. Nakita. There. Monet inside. So, unfortunately, all tickets are sold out today. So, kung gusto nyo your tickets before, and they only accept tickets only on Fever app. So, download Fever app first, and then you can buy your tickets there. So, yung own, available nila for admission is only for them. So, today it's already sold out. So you just have to take a photo here. And the daughter is lying over there. We cannot go inside, so we just go here in the shop. Let's see what's in here. Oh wow, handkerchief is $16. Oh nice, soft siya. It's only handkerchief and it's $16.90. $16.90. Umbrella is $43. Fabric pouch is $15. Here is $29. They also have accessories like bracelet, $36. Necklace, $35. That earrings. $39. Metal badge is 12.90. Metal badge.
I also thought it was a handkerchief.
There's also some phone casing there.
$7.90. Paper bookmark. Wow, $2.90.
It's cheap.
Clear bookmark. Sample. This one is the clear bookmark.
Ang ganda. Which one?
Pencil.
Okay.
Ooh,
Doon
stamp.
ang gusto.
Stamp collection.
Where's your stuff?
$11.90. This one?
Yeah.
Is this the one? Stamp collections. Ayan. $12.90. Ooh. Ah, pwede pala yung ganito, no? I have stamp collections eh.
Yeah, just buy this.
No. So many.
Nino,
Oh, phone case din.
this is yours. Pro Max, right?
15 eh?
iPhone
14
14.
Pro Max.
Your one is what? iPhone 14 Pro Max.
MagSafe is a hard phone case is $25. MagSafe jelly hard phone case is $20.
Yeah. Ay, ito
Yan
pala.
lang yung
Ito,
dating
daddy,
clip.
oh, this one, yours.
Oh, yeah.
It's $20.
Expensive.
Ganyan siya, may design. Oh.
Look.
This one is multi-clock. Sample is
Look, kung babae.
grabe. $5.90. Oh, meron ding case ng AirPods.
Ito yung sa akin.
Oh, meron din ito. This one. MagSafe card wallet.
iPhone 15.
Sakit na yun.
iPhone 16. iPhone 16 Pro.
$22. Acrylic magnet. We're outside the Park View Square. We're in the garden.
Daddy, where are you going now?
Ooh, taas.
Yeah, but it's close. I just take the whole one.
We're in Googie's. Okay, let's go. Let's cross the street. Pare, turista tayo. Turista ng Singapore. Here. Saan tayo?
Diyan na, sa mall na.
Boogie Street?
Sa mall?
O mall? Okay, here. There's Jollibee over there. Boogie Street. Where? Bugis Junction. take photo here. Let's take photo. Marami ding open na shops. Tapos meron din marami ding close. Krispy Kreme. Diba? May open, may close. Pero dati talagang sarado. 2 days na sarado sila. May mga shops, even na kainan. Pero ngayon marami pa rin. Marami nang bukas. Ang dami ring tao. Marami ring tao.
Marami din.
Now, let's go to Dobicot. Doon na tayo mag-ikot para malapit sa bahay. Dobicot, Plaza Singapura. Dobicot Station. Tap our card again. Yes. And we're in. And just like that, we're now in Plaza Singapura.
All the shops are open here.
Yeah. But some are also still closed.
The pizza place there.
Ayan na yung pocha. Korean.
May.
Pocha Korean street food. Street dining. Later,
Yeah,
maaga
okay.
pa. Nag-late lunch din tayo kanina eh. We're in Plaza Singapura. And most of the shops are open.
Mall hopping.
Yeah. The only thing you can do in Singapore is to go mall hopping. For sure, yung mga theme parks, puno yan pag gantong holiday season.
Sarado.
No, the Universal Studios is open, I think.
It's open.
Universal
of
Studios.
course, of course. All the theme parks, they will all be open every day.
Next stop, Pop Mart. What's in here? Fuji Itador. Mini Spring Chocolates. Fridge magnet. Year of the Snake. What's that? Oh, Hello Kitty, $15. $15.90. One full case, 190.80. Ilang piraso yun? 12 pieces.
Ano yung secret? I think natin. Ano yung secret?
This one? No, it's the 50th anniversary. 12 designs may have a secret. They never say what is the figure, like the shadow, right?
Ta.
Like Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty na may
Hello Kitty
crown.
yan na may crown. This one.
Ta.
Right? Yan ba yun? Nasaan yung secret yan? Wala.
Wala, siyempre.
Star Wars. Dapat may ganito ka rin. No? In case. Oh, Deadpool. This one is what? League of Legends.
Justice League.
Transformers.
Look at the chance of the
Astro
secret.
Boy.
Look at the chance of the secret. 1 out of 72.
What's this? Amazing Night.
Think so.
This is Amazing Night. This one is
Ito.
Sweet Bean.
Sweet bean?
Yeah.
Hindi sweet bean.
Ito, Sweet Bean.
Ay,
So this sweet bean is 18.90. One full case is 113.40.
this one is 15. This one is 143. Huh? 2, 4,
Nine.
6, 8.
9 pieces
Ito,
only.
mystery
9 pieces, 100.
Molly!
Dito yung molly.
So many mollies. So if you're a fan of a molly, the collection is complete over here. This is Lilo and Stitch.
Yeah, it's so cute.
This is the Christmas edition. Bugs Bunny.
Tingnan mo. Look guys, look. 1 out of 10. To 1 out of 10. To 1 out of 10. Then the secret 100. 1 out of 120.
1 out of 120 lang yung secret.
Yeah.
That one, the big pink panther.
No.
No, you have Molly, di ba?
Yeah.
Lang yung 1 piece is 189. Tama.
Wow.
89 piso eh.
This one, the ano,
This one is Molly.
Molly bake, the baker Molly. Molly's.
Well, one full case is 109.
To baby Molly.
Ito maganda.
Look, look, look.
Maliit na
Oh,
Molly
yun ah.
is
Ito yun, di ba?
299. 299 Singapore dollars.
Mami.
Joker, this one, the Joker. Joker, Mega Space Molly. This one, make crying baby. Cry baby. 319.
Mommy, look at this.
Ito yan.
Look at
Cry baby.
Look at this one.
This one, the Hello Kitty 50th anniversary. 129 Singapore dollars.
Bubuan ko. Mama.
And that's it guys. Thank you so much for joining with us on this today's video. So we arrive home, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining with us, and Happy Lunar New Year. God bless everyone, and I see you on the next vlog. Bye!